Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number Z6736A. 58,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, deep cherry red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Cherokee seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Trailering package. Maximum towing capacity of 4,500 pounds. Much higher than other vehicles in its class. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Heating and air conditioning. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and even more storage in the upper dash. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6736A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.